Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your country or your region on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings, and here you'll find country. Click on it. Now select any country or region, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.